Handling errors with try-catch. Now we will see the method of handling errors with the try-catch construct. The try-catch construct is similar to exception handling techniques in other programming languages. Take a look at the general form of the try-catch construct. The catch block must immediately follow the try block to which it corresponds. However, one or more blank lines between the end try and begin catch lines is allowed. Here, when an error occurs in the try block, then the control goes to the catch block. If an error occurs after the begin try line and before the end try line, control passes to the catch block. If no error occurs in the try block, the code in the catch block isn't executed. Let's see a simple try-catch construct. Here we attempt to divide by 0, which takes place in the try block. So control passes to the catch block, and the code there is executed. Here it prints the statement, "Let's execute this." Here it prints the message, "Hello." There is no error in this statement, so the code in the catch block isn't executed. In the next line, we attempt to divide by 0, so the control passes to the catch block, and the print statement there is executed. In the catch block, we can also display additional information about errors that occur with some functions. Here we will see some of those functions. The first function is error line. This function returns the line number at which an error occurs. If the error occurs in the try block, the line number in the try block is returned. If the error occurs in a stored procedure or trigger, the line number in the stored procedure or trigger is returned. It returns null if it's used outside a catch block. The return type of this function is int. The next method is error message. This function will return the information about the occurrence of the error. It returns null if it's used outside a catch block. The return type is n-varchar 4000. Then the function error number returns the error number that occurs in a try block. It returns null if it's used outside a catch block. The return type is int. Error procedurer function returns the name of the stored procedure or trigger in which an error occurs. Let's see an example with these functions. Here we have written all our error-related functions in a catch block. As a result of the execution, it shows all the information about that error. I hope this lesson will help you to understand about error handling and different methods to handle errors.